Hi, Douglas fir. How's everyone doing? Thanks for joining me here. Let's talk about our sound of the week. This week, the letter is, do you recognize it? Q. This is the letter Q. Let's trace a Q. Gonna start on the baseline. You're gonna curve up just like a C or an A. Curve up, stop, back around, down, up, then straight down. And we're gonna go to the back, touch, and out. Qua. Let's practice writing a Q. Got my pencil grip, check. Okay, starting on the baseline, curving up, back, down, up, touch, down, to the back, touch in, and out. Qua. Now a capital Q kind of looks like a number 2. I'm gonna start up at the top. I'm gonna do a little loop down to the baseline, another loop and out. Qua. See what they look like on line paper. Starting on the baseline, curving up, down, touch. What words can you think of that start with qua? I'm thinking of a word from the book we read last week. Yes, quack. And I'm thinking of another bird. Do you know what bird this is? The quail. You can recognize the quail by the feather on its head. Okay, now I'm thinking of a shape that starts with qua. I'll give you a clue. It has 4 curved sides. The quatrefoil. Can you spot the quatrefoil? Maybe you want to draw your own quatrefoil. Let me show you how I drew mine. I needed a piece of paper, a pen, and something that is round, like a circle or a cylinder, maybe even a bowl. Start by folding your paper in half, and then in half one more time, so it's in 4ths now. Okay, open it back up. It gives you nice lines. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. It's a quad. Quad starts with qua. Quad means 4. Okay, now you're going to take your circle. I'm using a spool of metal wire. It's a nice shape, and I found there's a little hole there. So I line that up right where the creases intersect. Now you're going to get your pen, and you're just going to trace the top half. Just going to draw half a circle. Go around there and stop. Okay, there's one side of my quatrefoil. I'm going to line that up again just right. Okay, starting from where the other line ended, just tracing the top half, around, and stop. Okay, there's 2 sides of my quatrefoil. Lining it up again here. Okay, tracing around half of it. Doing 4 half circles. Okay, 1 more to go. Lining it up carefully right there in the middle. Okay, let's see. Did we make a quatrefoil? Yes, we did. The quatrefoil made me think of another shape that starts with qua, or a family of shapes. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a geometric shape that has 4 sides with 4 straight lines. Quatrefoil was 4 curved lines. Quadrilateral is 4 straight lines. Can you think of any shapes that are quadrilateral? All of these shapes are quadrilaterals. Look around your house. Can you find any of these quadrilateral shapes? How many quadrilaterals can you find? Have fun!